Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this alien invasion hack on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this though, because you do need the veil. I'm not going to show you the whole outfit, but I'm just showing you guys how you can create the UFO. So select this hat over here. I'm like forgetting which hat I had on. And then select the no ribbon toggle and color it this gray. And then select foil. Then I'm just going to scale it all the way up and I'm going to rotate it just a little bit like this. Then I'm just going to position it kind of up here a little. Then for the veil, we're just going to use this one. You can use whatever color you want for like the neon part of it. I think I'm just going to choose this one. And for the second part, I'm just going to color it the same gray and in foil. Scale it all the way up and you're just going to position it like this. If you want it to be lower, you can move the hat just a tad bit lower. So that's what I'm going to do. And that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.